This is a video on how to use Open Broadcaster software, which will allow you to record your screen and make YouTube videos for other people to watch. So the first thing we do is we go into here, we search on Google for Open Broadcaster Screen Recorder. It looks like this will take us directly to the download link. So then all we have to do is select Windows here, which is already done for us, original, and then just click Download Installer. That'll just download it to your computer, so I'm going to cancel that. Once it's downloaded, then all you have to do is go through the really basic installation, and when you open it, it will look like this. What you want to do here is add a scene. Call it whatever you want. In my case, I'm going to call it, for example, quoting. And then over in this area where it says sources, I'm going to add a monitor capture. If you add Windows capture, it doesn't really work. So monitor capture, because this is your computer monitor. So you add a monitor capture, call it whatever you want, and I just always agree with the default settings. So there we go. And the only other thing you might want to just double check is down here, where there's a little icon, you might want to go into that and right click and go playback devices, and just check that whatever your recording device is, that you've got the right recording device. You can see my microphone there, or I could use my webcam, for example, and playback device, that's if that's your headphones or whatever. So if we go into settings here as well, under audio, it says it's just using the default, so that's whatever we set down here. So my default, you can see there. If you wanted to use this one, you'd select set as default, and then that would be the default device. So otherwise you can select whatever you want from this drop down menu here. So once you've actually got a video done, if you go to settings, what I'm just trying to find out is where it's going to actually save it. For me, I've set it up so it just saves it to my my desktop. But for you may want to save it somewhere else, or not configuration folder, I don't think. It should be under settings. Here we go, broadcast settings. So what you can do is put in whatever file path you want here. It just has to end in .flv. So in my case, it's my desktop screen records, which is that folder there. So that's where the video is going to end up. So now if you go onto YouTube, for example, great. So just click the upload button once you're signed in with your own account, and it's literally just a case of dragging and dropping, one of these into here. The nice thing is that it keeps them relatively compressed, a couple of 100 megabytes for sort of hour-long videos that I've done in some cases. So yeah, so once you've uploaded your video, it'll give you a link to, in fact I might just sort of start uploading one now because it will show you. So if I drag this across here, it says once it's all done, your video will be live here. So this is the link that you can just go and send someone else via an email, for example, and from there, they can view your video and figure out how you quoted something or did something on your computer using your kind of quoting tools, or anything that you do in your job. So I'm just going to cancel that because I've already uploaded that one before. But yeah, all you need is this software is free, and of course, having a YouTube account is you just require a Gmail address, and then you can upload whatever you want. Okay.